A stupendous outlook on probability. What is probability? Probability is the study of chance and is a very fundamental subject that we apply in everyday living. It is also the extent to which something is probable, the likelihood of something or being the cause. A fun fact: many events can be predicted with total certainty. By using the thought of probability, the best that we can say is how likely an event is going to happen. Probability is just a guide, meaning that it doesn't necessarily tell us exactly what will happen. The history of probability. In 1654, there was a gamblers' dispute that led to the creation of probability by two French mathematicians who were famous, named Blaise Pascal and Pierre de Fermat. Probability all started with a popular dice game. Probability generally is an event happening by the number of ways an event can happen over the total number of outcomes. For example, if you have 7 marbles in a bag, 5 are green, 1 is purple, and 1 is orange, what is the probability that a green marble will get picked? But first you have to look at the number of ways it can happen. You have 5 green marbles over the total number of outcomes, which you have 7 marbles in total. So you would do 5 over 7, which equals 0.71. The probability line tells how possible or impossible a situation can be, such as ranging from the numbers 0 to 1. So if a situation is impossible, it would be 0%. If it's unlikely, it will be 25%. If it's equally likely, it will be 50%, likely 75%, and certain 100%. An example of probability just being a guide is that if I tossed a coin up 200 times, how many heads do you think would come up? Probability says that heads have a 1/2 chance, so our expectation is 100 heads. Words and probability. Some words have a special meaning in probability, such as trial or experiment, which is an action where you have an uncertain result, a sample space, which are all the outcomes out of a situation or an experiment that are possible. One of the possible outcomes, which is a sample point, and an event, a single result of an experiment. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned a lot. Okay, bye.